In this lesson, I want to explain mirror and after that particle. It's a very huge settings and things to explain. Mirror is, you can click and drag it. Mirror used for mirroring some place from this direction. This is the direction of the mirror. It's mirror the negative part of it. Okay. For making lakes, for making sea and anything. Give an example from this direction. You can, this is nice. You can click and drag to make it big. You can insert any mirror that you want. You can make it bigger. It's exactly mirror this part in this symmetry axis to its own body. You can change its color, of course. As you can see, it's completely mirror from here, okay? And it's simulated like a lake and water on it. And for defining the ground, you can make it a little bit down to test it. Now as you can see, it's nice, okay? You can test it, make it a little more, and it's nice. And here are platform, and you can watch the sea or lake here. So you can mirror any part of the scene. So if you bring your mirror here, it mirror this part. So for mirroring in a vertical, holding Alt and rotate it. And for you can increase your mirror area to mirroring bigger part. Here, as you can see, it's mirror all of those parts to its bodies here. You can go through the mirror and nothing happened. And after that, you can see it's nice. It's mirror exactly in this axis. So you have to specify the direction of the mirror. It's, I don't know why, but you can define your, I want a symbol here to define mirror axis, but it's not there. You can specify your direction of the mirror by those circle here. There are very close to each other, and this is you can target it as a axis, for example, and you can increase or decrease the area of the mirror. And of course you can change the color of that. Okay, for example, you want to hold this area mirror, or you can add more D to copy it, okay, if you want. And plate, as you can see, we have a big mirror here simulating lake. Okay, bring it down a little bit, not more. Okay. Why is that? A little bit. It's not important, it's off the screen. Okay, oh, that's correct. Okay, okay, a little bit higher, and that's okay. And you can change the color. For example, select that, and you can change its color. For example, a very dark blue. You can change the color of the water, okay, if you want. This is dark blue, and this is light. Okay, can delete it and holding A to copy it. You can make a copy of any of them that you want. Okay, if you copy that, as you can see, it's in a continue It's continue and uniform. It's not a problem if you copy and place in each other, but they have to be in the same direction, in the same align. It's more important. Okay, this is a mirror. Control save. And the next lesson we are going to the interesting part, particle.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.